Welcome to the PSEE training module. Today, we will be examining the functionalities of Project Suite Enterprise Edition PSEE. Project Suite offers seamless integration with various systems within our department. Often referred to as the one-stop shop for project information, PSEE serves as a comprehensive repository for project information, offering an extensive range of modules. Today, we will provide a brief overview of these modules, highlighting their sources of information and potential applications for your benefit. Now, let's delve into Project Suite. The PSE help documentation is a valuable resource. Be aware of this page as it contains pertinent information about the various PSEE modules. The modules within Project Suite can be categorized into three types: View, Manage, and Change modules. The View modules consolidate information from multiple systems into a unified interface. The Manage modules are designed to handle project-specific items not captured elsewhere, such as approval requests for proprietary product sections or managing exceptions and variations. The Change Request modules handle functions such as scheduling and change management. Within Project Suite, we can observe various components and features. The dashboard provides a wealth of information, allowing users to customize their view and easily navigate to specific projects. Additionally, you can pin frequently accessed items with the green flyout panel, ensuring convenient access to explore the different modules. It's worth noting that access to Project Suite requires an active user ID, which is already provided to department staff. Internally, no specific login is necessary. But if you accessed externally, your RACF ID will be required to access all available functions. It's highly recommended to assign a delegate to ensure seamless workflow continuity when you are unavailable. Additionally, the Privileges and Notifications section offer a range of options. You can request additional privileges, such as editing information or uploading documents, by selecting from the drop-down menu. Managing notifications and subscriptions is crucial to avoid clutter in your inbox. Subscribe to a specific project or reports by district or by project manager to stay informed about ongoing developments. The subscription options provide a high degree of flexibility. The search profile enables powerful searches across various modules. By setting appropriate criteria and leveraging search function, you can retrieve precise information tailored to your requirements. Remember to adjust the search location to perform statewide searches or specify a different district if needed. When you navigate to a specific project, the first module at the top is the Project Info module. It is the only module not listed in the module menu. This module is open by default. It can be collapsed but not closed. Project Info is split into 6 sections or submodules. The first submodule is the Item Segment submodule. This area contains the district, version of the project, and who is assigned as either the PSEE project manager or the work program project manager. The PSEE project manager is linked to the staff repository. If you click the name of the assignee, the contact information will appear. By setting a user as the PSEE project manager, they are granted updating privilege to all modules at the project level. The Work Program Project Manager is pulled from the FM system. This field is a text field, so the name may be full, initials, or combination based on the district preference. Also included in the first submodule is the item segment description. This is the road number and limits of the project. The item segment comments are shown in this area too. Next is the location submodule. This submodule pulls location information from FM. Here the county, roadway ID, work lengths, and project lengths are displayed. The third submodule is the description submodule. This section contains descriptive information related to the project. The work mix, status of the project in the FM system, contract class, federal oversight involvement, and the trans system are shown here. The fourth submodule, Item Segment Groups submodule is a list of all group codes assigned to the project. Examples of these codes are lump sum, BDI, 30-day add, etc. The fifth submodule in Project Info is the Important Project Dates submodule. This submodule displays production date, plans to date, and letting date. The last submodule in Project Info is the PSEE Project Documents. By default, it is collapsed. Simply click on the title bar to expand. The documents contained here are related to this specific project overall. As you will see, most of the modules allow for documents related to its area to be uploaded. Documents that don't relate to a specific module are uploaded here. These documents are assigned an EDMS document number, and they are stored in EDMS on the central office server. The Created By column displays the name of who uploaded the document. The Created Date column gives the date when it was uploaded. By utilizing an address book, project managers can track internal and external contacts, including their roles and points of contact, enabling easy communication. The GIS module provides geographical information about the selected project on an embedded interactive map. This module leverages the FDOT Enterprise GIS framework to display the interactive map and its features. Managing commitments is crucial for project managers. The Commitments module allows project managers to keep track of commitments made for their projects. It distinguishes between project commitments and environmental commitments, providing fields for essential information such as the commitment title, description, date made, due date, and the party to whom the commitment was made. Additionally, it automatically adds commitments to the global address book, ensuring comprehensive project communication. Districts track the resolution of errors and omissions using the Resolution Tracking module. Issues can be created in the Resolution Tracking module manually or by an automatic batch process. The batch process pulls all change orders and line item adjustments against the initial contingency pay items. These are then saved in the RTM as issues under the new status, which are then manually tracked, updated, and resolved. The Design Approval Request module is another valuable component of the system. It allows project managers to submit various design approval requests, such as exceptions, pavement design, proprietary products, typical sections, and variations. Each request requires specific details, including the desired date, description, justification, geographic location, and relevant attachments. Upon submission, the request follows a predefined approval workflow, assigning it to the appropriate personnel for review and approval. The purpose of this module is to provide for the organization the delivery and retrieval of documents used for developing construction plans. This module supports Chapter 111.7 of the FDOT Design Manual. The PSNE package module allows the submittal of the PSNE package to be entered and routed electronically from the engineer of record through the various review levels at the district and central office, all the way to the contract office for advertisement. The module was created to ensure the timely submittal and review, along with the improvement to the storage and availability of the associated documents. The system includes an environmental module, which serves as a repository for environmental related information. It enables project managers to add conditions, track environmental dates, and manage internal and external comments. Environmental commitments can be added within this module, automatically synchronizing them with the commitments module. Additionally, project managers can upload environmental documents for easy access and reference. Throughout the project lifecycle, it is essential to maintain effective communication with stakeholders. The project journal features allows project managers to record and track all project-related communications, including phone calls, memos, and other notes. This serves as a valuable tool for future reference and knowledge transfer. Additionally, project managers can attach files and documents to the journal entries, facilitating seamless information sharing. Conclusion. Project Suite offers comprehensive functionality covering aspects such as scope, schedule, funding, contacts, and documents. It seamlessly integrates with other systems, such as the Enterprise GIS and the Right-of-Way Management System, to provide a holistic view of project information. Project managers can access financial data, manage project-related contacts, and track project history. The system also supports workflows, allowing for customizable approval processes and reviewer assignments. In conclusion, Project Suite serves as a robust project management tool, streamlining the work program update cycle, facilitating effective communication, and providing comprehensive project information. It empowers project managers to effectively manage their projects and collaborate with stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle. If you have any further questions or require any additional information, please feel free to reach out.